And so our gloomy adventure to Poland begins. And to set the mood properly, you might be able to see snow. It is so cold, but it's actually not too windy right around here. What do you think, Christina?
Yeah, about. It's
You look
cold.
so cold.
It is cold.
Cold?
Yes, it's cold. And
Yeah,
it's
okay.
snowing.
The snow's kind of pretty,
It is.
but it can go to hell.
Yeah.
I'm cold.
Yeah, I just want spring. I want to have spring.
Go have some Glühwein.
Yeah, Glühwein is good.
Woo! Here we are in the city of Angermund. Not so much the city, but the station. And that's where we want to go tonight, Szczecin, aka the nearest Polish city to Berlin. That's worth checking out. Look.
4 steht RB 66 nach Szczecin.
Christina. Hey, cute. See the journal. You see that out there? That looks like space with, well, now trees going by.
Yeah.
That's Polska.
Polska.
Now we're going into a tunnel or something. What am I filming here exactly?
Nothing. Outside.
Seriously. Well, that's country number 20 for me. And for you? Count.
I don't know exactly.
Probably like 15.
No, but it's too much. I don't know.
It's at least country number 2 for her. So that's pretty good.
That's not.
I'm not wrong saying at least. We are in Szczecin, Poland, or Szczecin, Poland. That's how you spell it, right down there. Come on, what are you doing? Let's go.
What?